For many reasons, the BMW X3 is among the most popular luxury compact SUVs in its class. Despite being a small SUV, both rows of passengers won't be disappointed by the amount of space inside the vehicle. The BMW X3 will also impress you with its extensive list of standard and optional features. With the most recent model year of the vehicle, at least, you shouldn't anticipate many BMW X3 issues. Nevertheless, you cannot evaluate the vehicle based on its current model year because it will take some time before owners begin to experience problems with a vehicle. To learn about potential issues with the current generation of the car, look at the complaints for the previous model year. Let's examine the problems with the 2022 BMW X3 in more detail. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. Automatic acceleration problem. Owners of the BMW X3 of the current generation reported that their vehicles frequently accelerate without any driver input. Several different car owners reported the issue. Some owners reported that the issue happened when they were slowing down and heading towards the parking. A few owners have also reported that after putting their BMW X3 on cruise control, the car suddenly accelerated to a higher speed without any further driver input. Once more, the problem is quite serious and, if ignored, could result in accidents. Engine stall problem. BMW X3 owners have complained that it is difficult to confine all of the car's problems to the engine. The electrical system and other components are both failing at the same time. The owners claimed that while at a stoplight, the car's engine suddenly shut off. The steering wheel and brakes were also reported to be broken by the owners in addition to the engine. At that time, one owner was unable to activate the hazard lights at all. It is a significant issue and one of the worst nightmares for a Beamer owner. Engine catching fire. There have been few reports of fire coming from the engine compartment while the car is sitting still in the parking lot. The X3 was reportedly parked idle in the parking lot, according to one of the owners. The front passenger reported seeing smoke coming from the car's hood. Within 10 minutes, the fire was put out by the fire department. On the NHTSA website, there is a similar complaint regarding the same problem. Sunroof exploding problem. The sunroof on the 2021 BMW X3 has been the subject of numerous complaints from its owners. The sunroof on their car allegedly exploded while it was moving down the highway. The owners also stated that nothing was present right now that could possibly strike the sunroof, and they also did not see anything hitting it when it happened. The issue with the glasses entering the cabin is one of the customer's safety concerns. Power liftgate problem. The BMW X3 power liftgate issue may deter some potential buyers. The issue is brought up in a number of forums. The same issue is also mentioned in a complaint on the NHTSA website. The tailgate suddenly collapsed after use, according to the owner. The issue has happened on numerous occasions. The owner also claimed that the tailgate once fell on her arm and had to be fixed very laboriously. Recalls. BMW has been pretty good at recalling the X3 models so far. There are 14 recalls for the current X3 generation, and the most recent was on February 2022. These recalls include internal transmission leaks, fuel tank leaks, debris in the hybrid battery might cause fire, loss of braking assist, seatbelt sensors might not detect belted condition, and others. Should you buy the 2022 BMW X3? There are many excellent options in the compact luxury SUV segment. German rivals to the BMW X3 are also fierce competitors. However, the BMW X3 stood out from the competition thanks to its superior driving dynamics. The BMW X3's available engines deliver excellent performance without sacrificing fuel efficiency in 2022. The most recent model years of the BMW X3 have no significant issues either. The 2022 BMW X3 is a great option because it offers a great package for its class.